In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set auto BCC in Gmail. By the end, you'll have Gmail automatically blind copying a chosen address, perfect for archiving, forwarding to a CRM, or keeping a consistent record without you having to remember it each time. Start in your web browser by opening Gmail. In the top right corner, click the grid of 9 dots to open Google Apps. This panel can be long, so scroll down until you find the Chrome Web Store and click it. We're heading there to add a small helper that enables automatic BCC in Gmail. In the Chrome Web Store, install the extension called Auto BCC for Gmail by Cloud HQ. Click Add to Chrome and confirm. After it's added, your Gmail tab will refresh automatically. You may notice a draft window or a pop-up from the extension introducing its features. This simply means it's now active in your inbox. Next, click Compose to open a new message. Below the message area, you'll see a new BCC icon added by the extension. Click that icon and choose Add New Rule. This is where you define exactly when the BCC should be applied. First, decide who the rule should apply to. You can set it to everyone, which means any email you send will include the automatic BCC, or you can target only specific recipients. Choosing specific recipients is helpful if you only want certain clients, domains, or teammates to trigger the BCC. Take a moment to think about the scope you really need. Broader rules save time, while narrower rules help you stay precise. Now enter the email address that should receive the BCC. This is where your copies will go, such as a personal archive mailbox or a team address for tracking. Double-check the address for typos so the copies land in the right place. When you're done, save the rule. From this point on, the extension will quietly add that BCC according to your rule whenever you send. You'll usually see the BCC field populated just before sending, which is a good visual confirmation. If you need to adjust or pause the behavior later, open a new Compose window. Click the same BCC icon and review or edit your rules. A couple of quick tips. Keep privacy and compliance in mind. Always ensure you have permission to store or forward copies, especially for work accounts. Also, remember that BCC is hidden from recipients, which is the point, but you still control when and to whom it applies through your rules. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.